Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you forehead and upper lips waxing. Welcome back to YouTube, beautiful family, to our channel Stream Beautyland Salon. Let's start. We need a strip, spatula and waxing tea tree. We use first apply the powder in the forehead, and then after we take a little tea tree wax, apply the spatula. Look at the hair direction. What is the hair direction for the forehead? Apply the little amount for the wax, and before we cut the strip very small size, apply in the forehead and apply the wax in the temple to forehead. Half parts is the small parts in the forehead, and then after take a strip, press very well and apply the hair direction for the strip and pull out the opposite direction. First stretch the skin very well, skin stretching very well, no rashes, no skin pain, nothing, just stretch very well. You see all the baby hairs come out. Left over the baby hairs, apply the wax tea tree one time more. Whatever hair left over the baby hairs, apply very well. Take a small cut the strip and apply the strip, press them and take out the opposite direction. Stretch the skin, then after take a opposite direction. You see all the hairs come out, baby hairs, in the wax strip. And whatever the little amount for the wax, just strip and take out the all the wax in the strip. And same procedure apply the other forehead to temple. Apply the wax very well, apply and take a strip, press and stretch the skin and take out the opposite direction. You see all the baby hairs come very easy way. Just only watch the whatever the hair direction, which hair for the hair in the forehead, just like just very most important, stretch the skin, otherwise skin is pull out, skin is bumpy and all the stuff. Just stretch very well, then after take out the opposite direction. And one thing more, check the wax temperature. Wax temperature is very normal, is not too hot, not too cold. Is cold, wax is not working. Is too hot, skin is burned. Is be careful. Whatever you doing at home, you go to the salon first, you tell what is the wax temperature. Wax temperature is good, then wax is good for your skin. And whatever the leftover the wax, just strip, tap tap tap, take out the, and then all the wax come in the strip, and forehead is very neat and clean. All the baby hairs come out in the strips. Same procedure we apply for the upper lips. First apply the powder in the upper lips, because we need the dry skin, is the oily skin not work for the wax. And left upper lips to start, and to go for the right upper lips, apply the wax very well in the upper lips and take a very small strip for the upper lips. Start first for the corner of the right upper lips, and whatever the hair direction, apply, press and take out the opposite direction and stretch the skin. Very most important is for your skin. Same procedure for the other side. For the press the skin and take out the opposite direction, and the middle one just apply very carefully, stretch the skin and take out the opposite direction. You see all the hairs come out very easy and quickly in a 1 minute for the upper lips hairs, for the baby hairs. And skin is very neat and clean, all the dead skin is come out. Then after apply the wax lotion, after feel very good and relaxed, just apply little massage. Client feel very relaxed and feel much better. Whatever the skin is redness, wow, is little sensation in the skin go away. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe our channel, comment this channel. Do not forget this channel. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.